Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a Dollar Tree DIY. It's really simple, super easy like always, and it's a freestyle DIY. So basically you're going to need a wreath form, scissors, glue sticks, your glue gun, and any kind of decorations, crafting supplies that you personally want. And you're going to decorate your wreath literally however you want, or you can follow this DIY and make one very similar. So let's get started. I'm going to start with my wreath form and the sign that I chose at Dollar Tree. You can pick any sign you want, or you can leave the sign out and just decorate it with crafting supplies, fall themed stuff, you know, whatever you personally prefer. But I really love this. And also, you could cut this out. It's kind of like swivels and moves. I'm not going to. I like that. You could glue it stationary if you want, but I'm keeping mine just like it is. So the first thing I'm actually going to do is just determine exactly where I want my sign to be glued on, and I'm going to glue it on. Next, I'm just going to take this fall leaf garland that I found at the Dollar Tree, and I am going to just work it through the wreath. Alright, the leaf garland made a great filler for the wreath. It's absolutely beautiful, and off camera I added a strand of like the orange or reddish leaves. So 2 strands of leaf garland. You also can get the loose leaves and glue them all over the place if you want. I mean, that's another option. Next, I'm just going to start adding and sprinkling in a few little decorations here and there. Maybe like a pumpkin. I also have these super cute owls with hats. I have green pumpkins. I have ribbons. I have little scarecrows here, which I'm gonna cut the stick off of and use those. And also I have floral. And I also have these clip-on pumpkins. I'm definitely using the clip-on pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. These are amazing find there. I also have this cute little foam filler that I can splash throughout there as filler as well. So let's get started on this. Sorry if this is a bit dark, but it is overcast here and rainy. But this is the wreath completely finished. I just went total ham with flowers and the foam scatter. I love how it come out. I chose not to do the owls and not to do the glittery pumpkins and stuff. I will have more upcoming fall DIYs using those. I just went with the floral, leaves, foam scatter, pumpkins, and scarecrow kind of theme. I just love how the scarecrow's really tied in with my sign. I added a sunflower from a floral arrangement I already had in my home. and it matches the sunflower on the scarecrows. And then all this home stuff, floral stuff, leaves, it really tied in together. Made for a incredibly beautiful wreath. Super easy to achieve. Now, if you like these Dollar Tree videos, please subscribe, ring the bell, and like the video. Let me know. And stay tuned for more DIYs. Check the description box below for tons of additional Dollar Tree content. Once again, subscribe so you don't miss any other Dollar Tree videos. And I hope you enjoyed the fall DIY. And this is my Happy Harvest wreath. Hope you found it helpful, and we'll try out making your own Dollar Tree DIY wreath.